Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a cooking video. By the time this video comes out, we will actually already be back from vacation. I'm trying to stack videos for the time that we're gone. My husband and I are going to the Dominican Republic for our 15-year anniversary. Yay! We're so excited for the trip. But I didn't want to have a mishap like I did whenever we were in Daytona and have to not post a video because I didn't plan ahead of time as far as YouTube goes. We are making freezer meals mainly for when we're gone, for my in-laws to be able to pull food, meals out of the freezer, throw them in the oven so that they don't have to worry about buying food, going out to eat, or coming up with something to cook on their own in a kitchen that they're not familiar with. So I figure it's gonna be easier if I just take it upon myself. And then I decided, why not record it? Okay, so these are some of my kids' favorite meals. So we're gonna do a lasagna, a spaghetti, traditional spaghetti, a chicken spaghetti, and a like chicken rice broccoli casserole situation. The other day at Sam's, I did purchase this huge stack of tins so that I can make meal planning easier. These are like 12 by 17 or something like that. They're about the same size as my dish that I normally use to cook with. So the process should be pretty easy. All of these meals I've been making for years. Like I said, they are some of my kids' favorite meals. And then all my in-laws will have to do is pull it out of the freezer, put it in the oven, grab some bread, because I did also pick up some like French bread, and they can like open a can of corn or something like that just to make it super easy. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna start cooking, and I hope that you guys stick around. And if you like these type videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button while you're at it, because I do throw in a cooking video every now and then. And with all that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna start with the chicken spaghetti. I like to cook, like my whole life motto is easy peasy lemon squeezy, which also applies to cooking. So I am gonna start with the pre-cooked chicken, the John Souls. If you've been on my channel for a while, then you know I love this. It's just the easy life hack when it comes to making meals that include chicken. I got this huge 5-pound bag of shredded cheese at Sam's. This will go along with the meals, or the rest of the meals for today to be used throughout the week. Get your cheese at Sam's, please. This was like $6, I think. Best price anywhere. Also, my pasta right here. And then I use 2 cans of the large size of the cream of chicken, and then I'll use 1 can of Rotel. You can pretty much use any kind of tomatoes, diced tomatoes you want. I like the Rotel because it has the chilies mixed in and it has like an extra flavor to it instead of just plain tomatoes. So I always go for the Rotel. And then of course, just a little bit of Velveeta. You do not need a ton of this, just like a little chunk of it like this, just like diced up. Anyways, this right here is going to be the entire first meal. So let's go. And we're back with meal number 2. We've got a traditional spaghetti. We've got ground beef, the pasta, ragu, And I like to throw in an extra can of diced tomatoes to give it a little extra chunk. We've got some fresh garlic that I'll mince up, and a half of an onion that will need to be cut up and used pretty quick. And yeah, that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's get to it.
Eres la oficial, baby, no remix, yeah. Todas tus amigas saying miss me, girl. Todos necesitamos algún día ese feeling, yeah. Ay, sonríe tú, pero el feliz soy yo. Vente pa' que me bautices. Entre la luna y el sol, pegado siento calor, yeah, yeah. Como una historia pa' que me deslice. Y el deslizado soy yo, como haciendo el amor, yeah, yeah. Es que estoy puesto pa' ti, en la cama va a fluir. Lo que yo siento por ti, lo que tú sientes por mí, bebé. Es que estoy puesto pa' ti, en la cama va a fluir. Lo que yo siento por ti, lo que tú sientes por mí. Lo que quieres, que te caiga en la casa como FedEx. Rapidito pa' uno beso si te atreves. Y si caigo por la noche.
And meal number 3, moving on to lasagna. We've got our ground beef. We've got our other half of that onion from the previous clip, so quarter of an onion. Garlic, another ragu, more cheese. Lasagna noodles. Also, I noticed that I haven't been saying anything about seasonings. You can season these things any way you please, but you can add other things. You can season to the way you like it. And remember, if you're not sneezing, it's not seasoning, okay? Let's get into it.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend, I never listened.
Here we go, the last one. Meal number 4 is a chicken broccoli rice casserole situation. We have the other bag of the John Souls pre-cooked chicken, the fajita chicken. I use this because it's already seasoned. I don't have a ton of broccoli left, so I'm gonna use just this little bit. And then probably not gonna use the entirety of what's left of the cheese, but I will use a good portion of this. I will also use some Velveeta. Here is my little rice container. I will only use 4 scoops of this. And this is my little rice cooker because I suck at cooking rice, and I'm not embarrassed to admit it. If you suck at cooking rice, give me a high five in the comments. Moving on to cream of chicken. I use 2 of these as well. We've got some seasonings. I got some garlic. We got salt and pepper to taste. All of that. Also butter for the rice. And I think that's it for right now. So let's get to cooking.
make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breathe.